Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for a science class? We were doing chapter number 5, living and non-living things, right? So we have already completed our explanation part and exercise portion. In exercise portion, we have done blanks, MCQs, short question answers, right? Today, we will move towards our new exercise, long question answers. Okay? So, pay attention. Exercise F, long answer questions. Okay, children? So, pay attention. We have only 2 answers in this exercise. But now as you have grown up, so long answers also you have to learn, right? Now you are not small babies of first standard that you will get short answers. Now you are grown up third standard students and you all are my intelligent students. So pay attention, these answers are very easy. See, question 1. How do plants reproduce? How do plants reproduce? What will be the answer? Plants reproduce mainly by seeds. How do plants reproduce mainly, children? By seeds. First point. As new plants grow from seeds. When we sow a seed, then it grows into a plant. So it is said, plants reproduce mainly by seeds as new plants grow from seeds. Easy point. Next, some plants produce new plants from other parts of the plants. Now children, apart from seeds, we have earlier discussed that some plants produce new plants with the help of other parts of plants. Now which are those parts of plants? Like stems, roots or leaves. Only 3. Stems, roots or leaves. Okay. Repeat this answer after me. How do plants reproduce? Plants reproduce mainly by seeds, as new plants grow from seeds. Easy point. Now second point, some plants produce new plants from other parts of the plants. Which are the other plants? Other parts of the plants? Like stems, roots or leaves. Easy. In the first point, you will mention about seeds, that new plants grow from seeds. In the second point, you will mention about other parts of the plants. Okay, remember. Now, moving towards our second question. Let us see which is our second question. Write 3 features that make living things different from non-living things. So, what is the question? Write 3 features that make living things different from non-living things. Children, if I explain you this question in simple words, it is how living and non-living things are different. You have to tell me difference. How living and non-living things are different. For knowing the difference between them, you have to tell me 3 features. Okay, let us see the answer. The features, first you will copy from the question. The features that make living things different from non-living things are as follows. This line you have to just copy from the question. Okay, children? The features that make living things different from non-living things are as follows. Now see how many features? 3 features we have to tell. See, here I have first, second and third. Okay, which is the first one? Living things grow but non-living things do not grow. Very easy. Living things grow, non-living things do not grow. Second point, living things reproduce. That means living things like human beings, animals give birth to young ones. But non-living things do not reproduce. Okay. Third, living things breathe. हम सांस लेते हैं ना? So we breathe. But do non-living things breathe? No, children. So, but non-living things do not breathe. So, आपको देखने में ऐसा लग रहा होगा कितना बड़ा आंसर है, but it is so easy, right? Only 3 points of difference. First, living things grow. फिर उसका opposite लिख दो. Non-living things do not grow. Second, living things reproduce. फिर उसका opposite, non-living things do not reproduce. And third, living things breathe. And what will be the opposite? Yes, non-living things do not breathe. So I hope these 2 answers are clear for you. You have to remember question 2 and question 1 which we studied about plants, right? So we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, read the both answers carefully. I'll ask you in a live class. Okay? Take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.